Runway 7, JetBlue 779.
484, approaching Usain for our nav, RP07.
4 saying to total, continue approach runway 07.
Yeah man, greetings everyone, it's Stewie coming to you again from beautiful Montego Bay, Jamaica. In the previous video I showed you some of the wide bodies returning to Jamaica for the winter tourist season. Not every airline chose to go bigger or is able to go bigger. Some simply increase the amount of flights they bring into Montego Bay for the winter season. So stay with me while the air traffic controller permit these flights and I'll be back with you with more information.
46, vacate Bravo. What's the gate number?
For gate 15, JetBlue 779. Echo Fox 1 at ground to gate 15, JetBlue 779.
Runway 07, Air Transat 484, thank you.
So let's look at some of the numbers coming into Montego Bay now. First and foremost, the number of flights coming into Montego Bay has doubled compared to a few weeks ago. Let's just look at the Canadians for this video. Air Transat is doubled now. I can see them 2 flights coming in on most days. Even though Air Transat hasn't brought in the A330s yet, but still early days, let's watch and see. What about Sunwing? Stick around, I'll tell you more.
9735, ready for departure.
973, no plan, wait, runway 0.
07, Sunwing 9735. 2126, we are on the RNAV, RNP 07.
Take off 7, wind 100 to 2 knots.
Take off wind 07 for Sunwing 9735.
Sunwing gives us 2 to 3 flights per day when you include Calgary, which they don't do daily. WestJet, another Canadian giant who is also responsible for the operations of Sunwings, is giving us 2 daily, but you can expect them to hype the numbers up shortly because they are a giant indeed. The Big Daddy Air Canada is back operating 2 daily flights also. They're the only ones so far using the wide body. They're using the 787-9 Dreamliner. And since their resumption, I have also seen them use the 777 into Montego Bay. So that looks like the numbers are looking good.
080 degrees at 12.
And runway 7, United 2126.
Approaching Bolt.
75, let's continue approach.
Approach American 975.
2126, arrive to 54, vacate Alpha, what's the gate number?
And we didn't get a gate number for United 2126.
Continue on Alpha, short of Echo, and then advise me on ground frequency 1217 when you have the gate.
Go United 2126.
Heavy, we're 4 outside of Usain for the RMP 07.
American 875, clear to land runway 07, wind 070 degrees 10 knots.
Land, runway 7, American 875.
And then 982, continue approach runway 07.
Okay, 982, continue.
American 875, arrived 58, vacate on Alpha. Their gate number?
Vacate Alpha, gate 4, American 875.
75, Roger, continue taxiing Alpha to gate number 4.
New Alpha to the gate, American 875.
Alpha, remember, monitor ground 1217 when you're clear.
American 875.
090 degrees 14 knots. You're cleared to land on runway 07.
Clear to land on 07, Air Canada 982.
So 19055, Frankster Tower, continue approach, runway 07.
Delta 1955, switch to 217.
Giving way to the Sunwing Boeing 738 on Echo.
Into the Boeing on Echo, American 875. Stern, good morning, Copa 146, approaching Usain for the RMP runway 07.
146, Frankster Tower, roger, continue approach, runway 07.
Approach runway 07, Copa 146.
Canada 982 arrived 02, vacate Alpha, contact the ground 1217.
Vacate Alpha 217, Air Canada 982.
07, wind 110 degrees at 14 knots.
And Delta 1955. Our Sunwing 721 fully ready for departure.
1021, standby departure, hold short 07.
7 Sunwing 721.
Delta 19055 arrived 05, vacate Alpha, what's the gate number?
Gate 14, Delta 1955.
So Echo to gate 14, monitor ground wing clear, 1217.
Alpha Echo 14 will monitor ground, Delta 1955.
146, wind showing 090 degrees at 13 knots, clear to land on a 07.
Wind 07, Copa 146.
No 07, can we be high?
Good landing traffic, line up 07, Sunwing 721.
So standby departure, hold short 07.
No, short 7 off.
Copa 146 arrived 08, vacate Bravo, near Alpha. Continue the road, vacate contact Alpha. Contact ground 1217 lane clear. No delays vacating the runway.
Via Alpha 121 is 17, Copa 146. Expedition.
Sunwing 721, wind 090 degrees 9 knots, clear for takeoff, runway 07.
Clear takeoff 07, Sunwing 721.
The Alpha line of runway 07.
7 Alpha.
Wing 721, airborne 10, contact thanks on radar 120.8 today. Cleared for takeoff, runway 07 into section Delta, wind 090 degrees 11 knots.
Takeoff, copy doing normal.
Running to section Delta, wind 080 degrees 14 knots.
Takeoff 07, how much reach 70 good?
Tower American 2388 checking in, we just passed the Oceanic on the RMP runway 07.
American 238, thanks. Opposite direction, Cessna 206 traffic is 3.5 miles northwest of the station level at 1,000 feet. Is north and clear, not a factor for you.
We'll continue American 2380.
American 238 additional. Just airborne off the station in the left turn to proceed westbound. Would be north and clear, shouldn't be a factor for you either.
American 280.
Remember Alpha, Boeing 738 traffic, 10 miles final 07. Remain north and clear, runway 07.
Clear 07, normal.
0 Romeo traffic, Boeing 738, 8 miles final 07, remain north and clear.
Air traffic inside 370 Romeo.
Con 238, clear to land 07, wind 070 degrees 1.
Runway 07, American 2380.
Con 2388 arrived to 18, vacate Bravo, the gate number.
Gate 2 for American 2388.
Ground 1217.
Gate monitoring
273, clear for takeoff 07, wind 100 degrees 18 knots.
Runway 7 south 273.
Good afternoon, Southwest 918 over Hussein for the RNAV 07.
West 918, thanks to Tower, roger. Continue approach, runway 07.
Continue to approach runway 07, Southwest 918.
West 273, airborne. Thanks to radar 120.8. Good day. West 918. Affirmative, clear to land 07, wind 100 degrees 10 knots.
Good land, runway 07, Southwest 918.
Southwest 918, arrived tree 8, vacate Bravo, contact ground 1217. Good day.
Over to ground, good day, Southwest 918.
Tower, I was at 517 on Alpha. We'll hold short 07.
517, Sinister Tower, Roger. Stand by departure. Flight 16, confirm you're ready for departure.
6, hold it short, runway 07, ready for departure.
Flight 16, cleared for takeoff, runway 07, 90 degrees, 11 knots.
Clip to cap, runway 07, Frontier Flight 16.
Transat 517, line up and wait, runway 07.
And wait 07 of that 517.
Transat Flight 16, Airborne 41, contact radar 120.8, good day.
Wait, Frontier Flight 16, have a good day.
Transat 517, cleared for takeoff, runway 07, wind 100 degrees, 16 knots.
Off 07 of that 517.
Runway 07, wind 070 degrees, 18 knots.
073.
Transat 517, Airborne 44, contact Sinister radar 120.8, good day.
Sexter radio 20.8, good day, or Transat 517.
Let Alpha to hold short 07, already in sequence.
6 November Juliet, stand by departure, hold short 07.
Hold short 07, 6 November Juliet.
November Alpha, waste number 1, traffic in sight, you're clear to land 07, in 060 degrees, 17 knots.
Number 1 inside, clear to land, November Alpha.
Vacate Delta, 0907.
7.
November Juliet to behind landing traffic. Over the last line up and wait behind, runway 07.
Traffic, line up and wait behind, 6 November Juliet for runway 7.
November Alpha arrived 50, vacate Delta, contact ground 1217 today.
Vacate Delta, ground 1217, good day, normal.
Juliet, wind 090 degrees, 16 knots, cleared for takeoff, runway 07.
takeoff 076 November Juliet.
Of the station, descending over 3,700 feet at this time, negative communication. Remain north and clear of the approach path.
The traffic remain north and clear of the approach, 6 November Juliet.
6 November Juliet, airborne 51, contact radar 120.8. You have a good one.
120.8 on the way back, 6 November Juliet.